Hello, dear beauties. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and style with Sophia Naz. So, dear beauties, in my today's video, I'm going to share with you a beautiful collection, beautiful styles and designs of summer seasons maxi dresses. Those girls, those women who love to wear maxi dresses, who love to style scout style dresses. So, these are the best, latest ideas, latest collection, hot trending, and stylish collection of long dresses, maxi dresses, and frock dresses. I'm going to share with you in this video. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful collection and styles of summer seasons floral maxi dresses, gown dresses, and frock dresses. You are going to find out in this video. So it's more than 100 plus styles and designs of maxi dresses you will be find out in this video. You will be find out A-line style maxi, you will be find out umbrella styles, belted styles, with ruffle work, frill styles, hem dresses, smoke dresses for your summer seasons, for your summer styles, for your summer look. All over print styles, maxi dresses and gown dresses with beautiful neck and sleeve styles and designs. You will carry these styles of gown dresses for your party wears, for your evening wears. Even you will get the ideas for your daily wears, long dresses, maxi dresses. So most of these maxi dresses, gown and frock style dresses are in cotton fabric and chiffon fabric and jet fabric. Lightweight, comfortable and stylish dresses. So these fabrics like cotton fabric, chiffon and jet fabrics are lightweight fabrics and these are the best and latest collection and best choice for your summer seasons. I hope so, dear beautiful ladies. You will love these styles and designs of gowns and maxi dresses. If you are loving these designs and if you are loving these styles and these designs of dresses, so please do like my video and do share my video with your loved one, with your friends, with your relatives. Share the video with the new people so that the new people get the new ideas and new styles of maxi dresses. And please don't forget if you are new on my channel. So please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, dear beautiful ladies, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel, which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really tried my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so much leave your kind opinions in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section. So let's enjoy the video till the end.